Hello, and welcome to today's episode of Miss Johnson's Virtual Classroom, where today's lesson is our solar system. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at our learning goals. After today's lesson, we will be able to identify the planets in the Earth's solar system, determine the order of the planets from the Sun, and understand more about the world around us. To start off, we're going to take a look at this overview of our solar system. On the far left, you can see the Sun, and then Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let's take a closer look at some of those objects in our solar system. The first is the Sun. Its official name is Sol. It's the only star in our solar system. It gets up to 25 million degrees at its core, and it's big enough to fit over 1 million Earths. The first planet we're going to take a look at is Mercury. It's the closest planet to the Sun, but it's actually not the hottest. It's also the smallest planet in our solar system. It has no moons or rings, and 1 year on Mercury is only equal to 88 days on Earth. Now, let's take a look at Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. It has no moons or rings, and it's almost the same size as Earth. It's also the second brightest object in the night sky. The third planet from the Sun is the Earth. The Earth, of course, only has one large moon, and it's the only planet in the solar system with life and with liquid water. It's the densest planet in the solar system, and it's also the only one not named after a god. Next up is Mars. Mars has 2 small moons, and a day lasts about the same as 1 day on Earth. It has the tallest mountain in the solar system, and it also has a lot of dust storms. The 5th planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and it has more than 75 moons. 1 day on Jupiter would only be about 10 hours on Earth, and it's the 3rd brightest object in the night sky. Next up is Saturn. Saturn has 53 moons and over 100 small moons, 7 beautiful rings, which is what it's best known for, and it's the 4th brightest object in the night sky. Saturn is also the least dense planet in the solar system. The 7th planet in our solar system is Uranus. Uranus has 27 moons and 13 rings, and all 27 of its moons are named after characters in Shakespeare plays. Not only does it rotate backwards, but it's also tilted on its side, and it's the coldest planet in our solar system. Last, but certainly not least, we have Neptune. Neptune has 13 official moons and 6 super faint rings. It's very similar to Uranus, but it's a little more dense. And Neptune is also the windiest planet in our solar system. And for a brief review of the topic we just covered, here's that overview of the solar system again. As you can see, on the left we have the Sun, and then Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Tune in next time to see the debate about whether or not Pluto is a planet. Thanks for watching, and remember, always cite your sources!